Moving on now, the Oyo State government has started disbursing financial support to victims of the Bodija explosion that happened nearly 18 months ago. The Bodija Estate Residents Association expressed gratitude to Govt Seyi Makinde for fulfilling his promise. Bera President Muyiwa Bangboshe revealed that 4.08 billion naira was recommended to assist victims. While many have received funds, some cases are pending due to inheritance disputes or account discrepancies. Nabera also announced the Smart Bodija initiative for restoration and sustainable development, pledging ongoing engagement with the government.
The Relief Fund Management and Disbursement Committee recommended a total financial support package of 4,083,543,697 from the local government to assist those impacted by the Bodija explosion. This recommendation was guided by proximity to the blast site, the severity of damage sustained, and comprehensive evaluation conducted within the 500-meter radius by the launched the Smart Bodija initiative, a visionary plan for restoration, security, and sustainable development. We do not want to see a repeat of what happened. As much as we can avoid it, we want to bring in systems and operations that will minimize the incidents or possibility of people operating below the radar and then causing havoc that will affect the society.
Hello, hope you enjoyed the news. Please do subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to hit the notification button so you get notified about fresh news updates.